Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. As you might have noticed, I've been giving you some styling tips for your home as we are spending more and more time at home and arranging our lives new with our home offices and social distancing measurements and all trying to be safe. I've started doing these little mini series which I've already started a couple of weeks ago. You might have noticed I was giving you some tips about home office, where and how to create the perfect space for working. And then now we had little tips about plants. They are very, very important for us, not just outside in the nature, but also in our room. So you got some tips there on what plants you could put in your living rooms or in your home office, whatever. This week we'll be concentrating on bringing more light into your rooms. Not everybody's so fortunate as we are that we have so much glass and so much light in our rooms. So for those of you who might live somewhere a little bit more rural or in dark rooms, narrow ceilings, I'll be giving you some tips of how you can bring more light into your room. So I'll be carrying on with these little series, giving you to each topic new tips. And I'm also working on something else. It's going to be a surprise for you, and fingers crossed I'll be giving you the details next week. So it's all about creating, decorating your living space on my Instagram account in the next few weeks or months. And then of course, you know me, I'm always a very creative mind. I know it's getting towards Christmas, and I think especially now in this time with Corona and people not seeing each other, I think it's even more important to let people know and feel how important they are to you, to your friends and your family. So we've already sort of like mentioned, lots of people said, buy local source things, don't go to the big producers and buy just any old rubbish, buy local things, make your own things. And when we're talking about making your own things, how about making your own gift wrapping? Now, I've just discovered lettering. I'm always up to new hobbies. Lettering, I didn't even know what that was or how easy it is to make. Well, I just bought myself some really nice fancy pens, bought some bags, and I've just started being creative, writing nice little things. Merry Christmas with a personalized note. So I think spending time making the Christmas paper or the Christmas wrapping yourself is just more personal, and there's more effort behind it, and it shows you your appreciation for your friends and family. So that's my tip for decorating. And I'm also testing some new cookies and stuff for the Christmas time. I'll be giving you all those details on my Instagram account. So I now wish you all a very, very nice day. Keep tuned, and I'll be giving you some more ideas and tips soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.